Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to check the edition, version and build number of Windows ISO file. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To check the edition, version and build number of a Windows ISO file before installing the system, follow these steps. Double-click or right-click the Windows ISO file to mount it, which will assign it a drive letter, for example, F. Navigate to the mounted Windows ISO drive, F in this example. Then go to the Sources folder inside the mounted ISO. Look for an install file. You should find either install.wim or install.esd. Now right-click the Start button and select Command Prompt Admin or PowerShell Admin or Terminal Admin. Use the following command to get information about the Windows image in the ISO file. If you have the install.esd file, first type and hit Enter. To check the index number of the editions in the mounted ISO, replace F with the drive letter assigned to the mounted ISO. Second type and hit Enter. The command will display information about the Windows version, edition, and build number. Replace F with the drive letter assigned to the mounted ISO. Replace 6 with the index number of the edition you want to check. Or if you have the install.wim file, first type and hit Enter. To check the index number of the editions in the mounted ISO, replace F with the drive letter assigned to the mounted ISO. Second type and hit Enter. The command will display information about the Windows version, edition, and build number. Replace F with the drive letter assigned to the mounted ISO. Replace 6 with the index number of the edition you want to check. Note: when you download a Windows ISO directly from the Microsoft website, it usually contains an install.wim file. However, when you use the media creation tool to download a Windows ISO, it typically includes an install.esd file. WIM, Windows Imaging Format, uncompressed or minimally compressed, resulting in a larger file size. ESD, Electronic Software Distribution, highly compressed, resulting in a smaller file size. In essence, WIM offers flexibility and ease of modification, while ESD is optimized for efficiency and speed. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.